morning and welcome back to Brochure's Adventures, and today I am in the Paracas National Reserve. You can kind of see the sand dunes here behind me, and this morning I'm going to be doing some paragliding. Right now the wind isn't quite what we would like it to be, but hopefully here in the next 15 or 20 minutes the wind picks up and we can get the paragliding off the ground. So while we're waiting for the wind, I might as well explain to you where Paracas is in Peru. If you go 3 or 4 hours south of Lima, you'll see Paracas on the coast. There's a national reserve there that you can do paragliding, you can do four-wheeling, dune buggies, stuff like that as well. And then an hour from here is Huacachina and Ica as well. So today it looks like I actually got a little bit lucky with my paragliding because I am the only foreign tourist here and everyone else is from tour companies here in Paracas, which means they get a little bit special treatment with bringing the bikes out here to ride in the meantime. Normally I don't think that happens, but I still haven't flown yet. I'm waiting for all of them to do their sort of paragliding thing so that they can sell the tours, and then I'm going to be the last one. So finally made it up to the top of the sand dunes here, and I'm just about ready to get into paragliding gear and get going.
Run. All right. Let's go. Run. Good luck. Run. Okay, stop. Perfect. Yeehaw. You okay? I like it?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Perfect.
Once finished with the morning paragliding, Jose, the owner of Pure Fly Tourism, invited me to join the rest of the tour agents for a complimentary catamaran ride.
There's the big man himself.
Making people happy, that's what we do here.
We're just getting done taking a little bit of a catamaran ride out into the bay. It was pretty relaxing actually. I didn't expect to do this today, but I'm definitely happy I did.
No entiendo nada.
So it's just after 4 in the afternoon and we're back out here on the reserve. I'm back with Callie again from earlier today. And this is going to be the trek. What do they call it again? The Golden Shadow? Yeah. The Golden Shadow trek. So we're going to trek up near the coast and see the amazing golden sands at sundown. Alright, we've made it out to Playa Beach here, and this is the start of our trek. There's some kite surfers over there. It looks like perfect weather to do that, but we're not doing that today. After about an hour and a half of walking, we finally got to the last step here, and we're going to watch sunset just right here on a little bit of the low rocks. I don't know if you can actually hear me because it's super windy, and as you can tell by my hair, it's been windy for quite a while. So it might be a little hard to see, but I want to thank Callie here for being with me all day and giving me a great time. Also, if you're watching Jose, everything has been awesome. I'd like to thank you as well. And I'm going to leave stuff in the description down below how you guys can get a hold of them when you're here in Paracas. Thank you for watching Brochure's Adventures. If you like this content and would like to see more, please consider clicking and subscribing below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos from around the world, click the links over here. Happy New Year, and I hope your 2019 is full of travel and adventure. Face your fears and say yes to adventure.